Welcome, today I am with SoundPeats TrueAir 2 and I will show you how you can use these gesture buttons. So in this device we can find a couple of the very useful options. So take a look. At the first I'm going to show you how to volume down or volume up when you are listening to the music. So take a look. Right now I'm going to turn on the music, and to volume down you have to click once on the left earbud. Take a look on the volume level. You have to keep tapping once on that button on the left earbud. To volume up you have to do the same but on the right one. As you can see, right now we set up the maximum volume level of our SoundPeats Air 2. We can also use the play and the pause feature. So if you want to play or pause, you have to double tap for left or the one or the right. Take a look. So we can play and pause on the both earbuds by tapping 2 times. We can also turn on the previous track and we can also turn on the next track. So to go for the previous track, maybe I will show you, or maybe I can stay with this YouTube. So to turn on the previous track you have to press and hold the left for 1.5 seconds. So let's make it right now. Okay, not working here. Maybe I will make it on the YouTube Music. Take a look. Let me just volume down, and let's try right now to go for the previous song. Okay, this one is the first one, so I cannot go for the... Let's turn this on and take a look right now. As you can see, it's working, so let's make it one more time. So as you can see right now it works definitely better. You have to just get used to it and you will be able to easily go for the previous track. And if you want to go for the next track, just do the same for the right one, so press and hold for 1.5 seconds. As you can see, we can easily switch songs, and we can also activate the voice assistant. We have to triple tap on the right one. Take a look. And here we have the Google Assistant. You can also activate the game mode with the low latency by tapping 3 times on the left one. And right now you will hear notification that the game mode is activated. So one more time, what we can do with the gestures and the SoundPeats Air TrueAir 2. So we can volume up, volume down, take a look, we can volume up, volume down, we can play and pause, we can go for the next song, and for the previous one. We can activate Google Assistant and turn on or turn off the game mode. So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.